Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to This is Cooking with Mafia. I am your host, Francisco, and today we will be making a chicken salad sandwich. Yes, you heard me correctly. You've read the title correctly. Now, let me show you what I have on deck here. We have 2.5 chicken breasts that are cut up into cubes. We have 2 eggs. We have mayonnaise or mayo, depending on who you ask. We have a plain bagel, which we will be using. We have our sunflower olive oil right there. Now I'm going to add a little bit of the sazon, turmeric, black pepper, and this is what I meant by salad. This is a mixed salad that we will be putting on top of the sandwich. I have the water for the eggs going already. We have our pan. As always, let's get the cooking, baby. Okay, we are going to add our egg to the water. There we go, that's one. And that is two right there. By the way, this is a little strainer I picked up. There you go. Put that in the sink right there. Now, I placed the bagels into the toaster. I'm going to lightly toast them. So I'm going to... Oh, it works when you plug it in. There we go. There we go. Plugged it in. Very good. Now, we are going to take our sunflower olive oil. There we go. Measurements not exact. Okay, let's just give that a little swirl around. Let's wait a moment or two. The heat is on a medium-high heat. So, like I said, let's give that a moment. So, while we're giving that a moment, we have our chicken breasts that are cut up. You hear that sizzle? Ho, ho, ho. Alright. Now that we have done that, we're going to turn the heat up just a little bit. Now I want to add... Some people marinate their chicken before or after. I for some reason I find it tastes a little better like this. Everyone's different. Everybody has a different cooking style. That's 1 packet of sazon, a little black pepper. Like I said, measurements are not exact. You may want to add some more to your taste preference. And turmeric. Turmeric is healthy for you. You can Google it. If you don't like turmeric, whatever seasoning that you preference, by all means, that's what you use. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna incorporate all of this. Make sure I got the heat on high. Yes, it's on high. Okay, we're going to cook this for 12 minutes or until the chicken is thoroughly done. A quick FYI, everything was cleaned, including the eggs and the chicken, just to make sure no spread of any salmonella or any other pathogens or little nasties, littles, you know what I'm talking about, people. Alrighty then, so we'll come back when everything is done. Okay, our chicken is done. Our eggs are done. I already took off the shell. Our bagel is done. This is mozzarella and cheddar cheese I'm going to add to it. So let's start the assembly. Okay, the first thing I want to do is I want to chop these eggs up real quick. And yes, that is my co-host in the background as always, enjoying himself. So what we are going to do is, again, chop these eggs up. There we go. You like it chunky, leave it chunky. If you don't, then you can, mash it up, put it in a food processor, make it smooth. Alright, there we go. Let me just rinse off the spoon real quick. Alright, we are going to add our cheddar and our mozzarella cheese. Since I'm going to be the only one munching and crunching, I say 2 spoons should be enough. Okay, now a little squirt of mustard. Whoa, I got a little bit all over, so there we go. That should be enough. Again, measurements are not exact. My apologies for that. Mustardy. Okay, now we're going to add our mayo, and we are going to incorporate our ingredients. If you want to add salt and pepper, be my guest, but I used the seasoning from before. Okay, looks about right. Now, let's finish incorporating all of this. I'm gonna add just a little bit more mayo, so let me rinse the spoon again. There we go. That should be perfect. Okay. There we go. Alrighty then. Now, we are going to take some of our mixture right here. We are going to place it on our bagel. Let me get a generous helping. There we go. Alright. Now once we have done that, we're going to take a generous helping of our salad. It has a variety of vegetables in there: lettuce, onions, green peppers, a little bit of kale. I'll list everything in the description. Okay. Now that we've done that, place the top on. There we go. Okay. And there we are, ladies and gentlemen. The chicken salad sandwich. As always, thank you for watching. It is greatly appreciated. Please go support my gaming channel, Cooking with Mafia Gaming. I just put up a new video over there. And as always, ladies and gentlemen, please have a good night. Have a safe night. Peace, everybody. Nummy num delicious.